In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get better AI responses in Cursor. To start, the single biggest boost you can give the AI is rich, relevant context. Tell it what you're building, why it matters, the tech stack and versions, the files involved, and any constraints such as performance targets or style guidelines. Paste only the essential snippets or error messages and reference file names and functions so the assistant can anchor its reasoning. Think of it as writing a mini design note that lets the model see the shape of your problem before it writes a single line of code. Next, set the rules of the project in a .cursor rules file. This is where you capture architectural decisions, naming conventions, formatting preferences, library choices, and non-negotiable constraints. Keep it specific and actionable. For example, describe your folder structure, the testing approach you expect, and how to handle errors or logging. The clearer your rules, the more consistent and on-brand the AI's output will be across the entire codebase. Whenever you begin a new task, open a fresh chat. Clean context prevents unrelated discussions from bleeding into each other. In that new chat, give a concise recap of what's relevant so the model doesn't have to guess. This habit alone dramatically reduces drift and contradictory suggestions. Ask the model to lean on popular frameworks and recognized patterns. If you're using a common framework, name it and request idiomatic solutions. The AI is much more accurate when it can align to a familiar ecosystem rather than inventing patterns from scratch. Then iterate. Give targeted feedback, request small diffs, and run quick tests as you go. If a draft is too cautious or underpowered, try YOLO mode to generate a bold first pass, then refine with precise constraints. Always point out what worked, what didn't, and where it failed tests, so the next revision closes the gap. Keep your code index up to date so Cursor sees your real project. After big refactors, new directories, or dependency changes, refresh the index. If the model can't find a file, it can't reason about it, and that's where hallucinations creep in. Finally, sharpen your prompts with technical detail. Mention APIs, interfaces, types, file paths, edge cases, and acceptance criteria. Give the model the target and the guardrails. Precise prompts lead to precise solutions. Practice these habits together and you'll see faster, more accurate, and more maintainable results from Cursor on every task.